everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can resize the photo on iPhone 16 Pro Max. What you need to do is go to the photos, and any of your photos, you can see there's an option here, three buttons. Just tap on these three buttons, and when you see some options will come up over here at the bottom of the image. What you need to do here, tap on the crop section again, and once you will tap the crop section, it will show something like this. You can manually crop the image or manually resize it after tapping over here the lock button. But what you need to do here, just tap again on it and it will show you some functions like this. Okay, what you need to do here, you can select different settings presetted accordingly, just like this. Okay, you can resize your image according to phone or tablet format. Okay, these are the presetted, and if you want to resize manually, just tap again on it and you can manually resize the image like this. Okay, that's how you can resize your image. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any other question, just let me know and I'll keep posting the videos to help you out.